Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the stock in and stock out feature. These features allow you to add stock and take stock out of your Linnworks inventory, all through the comfort of your own mobile device. Both of these features are located under the stock icon on the dashboard. We went through the 3 ways to search a product in the previous video. These were searching through the barcode, name, and SKU. In this case, we are searching for Coke by scanning its barcode. Once you have found your item, you will be able to see many of the product details. These include the item name, stock level, in orders, so any stock that has been ordered, and available stock, so the stock you have left outside of your orders. The details that we need are the select location, bin rack, and the quantity. You can select the location in which you wish to stock the item into by picking a location on the select location list. You are able to pick the bin rack the item will be stored on by typing in it. In the quantity area, you have to write in the quantity that you wish to update the stock by and select the update option. The current stock level is 400 and I will be stocking in 200 more bottles of Coke. We can check this by going to product availability and searching the product there. As you can see, the stock level has increased to 600. The stock out feature is used when you have excess stock and would like to reduce it. To use this feature, you have to select the location you are stocking out from, and you have to search the product you are going to decrease. If the item exists in the location you have picked, you will see the product name, SKU, quantity level, and a box where you have to type the quantity you want to stock out. Once you have entered the quantity, you can select the stock out option. This will show you a prompt that says inventory updated successfully. To view the changes, you can again go to product availability and search a product there to see if the changes in stock have been made. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.